name is Kevin. This is my friend.
Hi, my name is Arjun.
Today we're going to see which one is hard-boiled egg and which one is a raw egg. We will need a raw egg and a hard-boiled egg. We don't know which one is a raw egg or a hard-boiled egg. So Arjun, spin this one first. You see that this egg continues spinning. If you saw that egg was spinning wobbly, and when I stopped it was still spinning. Now let's see this egg. This one, it stops right. This one, it went nicely, and right when you touch it, it stops. This happens because of inertia. You see, the loose whites, loose yolk and white egg in this raw egg, when it's standing still and then when you turn it, because of inertia, the white and yolk still stay still. So it spins wobbly. Then when you try stopping it, the white and yolk is still in motion, so it continues going. So when you leave it, it still continues. This hard-boiled egg, while spinning, it spins nicely because its yolk and its white are staying in one place and moves with this. Then when you stop it, the eggs and the yolk and white also stop. So it stopped by itself. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, 5 Times Kid. Bye for now. See you soon.